Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you guys how to clean your front headlights or headlamps, whatever you want to call it. So today we'll be cleaning a Honda CRV. That's right here. As you can see, these lights are kind of foggy right now at the moment, so we'll be cleaning them. So something that you're definitely gonna need is some water. Here I just got a couple waters for now. You're gonna need some tape just to protect the car paint. You're gonna need a sticking pad, and you're gonna need some sanding pads. So right now what I got is a P800, P1500, and a P3000. And last, for the sanding pads, you're gonna need a sanding foam pad just to finish the finishing touch. And for the polish, what I'm using right now is this one. It's a power plastic polish by others, and you're just gonna need a drill, but just remember to bring an extra battery because it takes up like 30 minutes to do both of them. And for the last thing you're gonna need is a cloth, just to wipe it off or keep it clean. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a tape and wrap it around here just to protect the paint, and I'm gonna do that right now. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna wipe the headlights just so we can start sanding it. After we wet the headlights, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the sticking pad I was telling you about, and then we're gonna use a P800 and just to scrub this down. So after you do the first round of cleaning, you're gonna use a cloth and then clean the headlight off, just to take the degrees and dust off of it. And afterwards, you're gonna want to wet it again. So after you wet it, you're gonna want to use the 1500, the P1500, add it onto the drill, and do the same thing as you did to the 800. After you get done doing the second round of sanding, you're gonna use the same cloth, wipe the wet dirt off over here, and after you get done, you're gonna make sure this is all dry, so there's no water here. Just clean it thoroughly, and just add the P3000 sanding pad here, and then do the same thing again, and just drill it down. Alright guys, so after you're done doing a third round of cleaning, you're gonna need the polish I tell you about, and then you're gonna need the foam scrubbing pad. So with that, you're just gonna add the polish on the light and just rub it around it, and then you're just gonna use a hand and just scrub it all around. Alright guys, so after you added the polish to it, you're gonna use the foam pad I tell you about. Stick it to the drill and do the same thing. Just drill the glass headlight around. So guys, as soon as you get them doing the last polishing, you can just take the tapes off and you should be good for now. And just leave it to dry for like a good 30 minutes and should be in a good shape. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what I did to the Honda Civic, and I'm gonna show you the before and after picture. And also guys, this is a WRX. I'll be showing you guys my picture or video on this. And